Hi, my name is Paulina and I am the CEO and co-founder of CUX.io, the very first tool for UX and analytics automation. I am the only specialist training in the analysis of behavioral patterns in CEE region, and I use these insights to help companies translate knowledge about their users into specific business decisions. I have had the privilege to be featured twice in the Strong Women in IT 2019 and 21 reports. And in 2021, along with my husband, I received a Polish award for 50 most creative people in business. As a mom of two, I proudly call myself a mompreneur. So I've co-created CUX together with my husband Kamil in 2019. Tool is a combination of our specializations, my market and customer experience research with his software engineering. Back then, there were tools for quantitative analytics available on the market, and no one really questioned what stood behind the numbers. For the why questions, they had UX testing or user research. But Camille always wanted to know why users of his apps are behaving the way they did. Why didn't they click on the buttons he designed for them? What do their journeys look like before they head out to the goal? And it wasn't possible just to ask for that because users simply don't know it. So, what is CUX for? On the one hand, our product is a response to the market need for easier data analysis flow, from metrics through behaviors to user experience and the solutions for them. And on the other hand, it's the response to the lack of the time and analytical competencies within the market. What is most important, CUX, it's not only about the data itself, it's about the solutions easy to implement to increase the conversion and make your users happy. Our solution can perfectly complement quantitative data from analytical tools such as Google Analytics. But with our automations, finding the solutions to problems that occur on the journeys of your customers will be faster and more efficient. When we started, even qualitative analytics was complete innovation. And year by year, we see how the needs and awareness of the market are growing. Right now, analytical process is more complex and there is no need in everyday development to use the traditional methods. What we observe is that entrepreneurs collect more and more data, but still don't know how to efficiently use it in business. Hence, UX and analytics automation. It is a response to the need for smart data handling, especially in companies for which big data is tomorrow's news. So, the recipient of our solution can be any digital product like e commerce, SaaS, blog, news service, any web based app. CUX is also applicable internally, responding to the needs of various teams and departments. We focus our activities in particular on mid-size and enterprise e-commerce related companies, but we also partner with several marketing agencies. We started the selling process at the end of 2020, and for now we have over 500 active users. We've been recognized and appreciated by various brands and industries with which we've successfully worked. For instance, T-Mobile, the phone Discovery, Shipstead, or Group M. Starting with CUX is super easy. You simply add our tracking code directly to your website through GTM integration or by sending the instructions to your IT or developer team. We are collecting your data immediately. What is our biggest distinction from the competition is that we manage your data in the context of your business goal. What does it mean? So we automatically select data so that you can immediately find your customer's problem and increase the conversion. Unlike the competition, CUX is able to present not only a complete picture of the data, both quantitative and qualitative, but also interpret the data in relation to your business goal. We present not only heat maps, but also full recordings of user visits, data on clicks and scroll on the website, filling in forms, going through the various stages of the purchase, and the behavior of users coming from, for example, social media, depending, of course, on the need of a given business. If you run e-commerce based on a platform like a shopper, we will even set a few most basic analytical goals for you. If not, you can start implementing our tool in accordance with your specific needs, whether with the predefined or custom goals. No worries. So why is this goal thing so innovative and important? Analytical goals are there to tell CUX scripts what is essential to your project. They translate your business into code understandable to the tool and define how it is to interpret your data. What's even more important, goals let you save a lot of time as they pre-select only this data that would be crucial for reaching improving the conversion. The next big thing is experience metrics, our proprietary metrics based on machine learning algorithms. Experience metrics are detecting and recognizing customer frustration points and enable you to draw more constructive conclusions from monitoring user frustration than from analyzing many positive recordings. They focus on finding and presenting user frustrations such as rage clicks, rage key presses, or chaotic mouse movements. Enriched with this knowledge, you can now almost immediately find users' pain points and bottlenecks on your website. With having the CUX snippet implemented, it is possible to codelessly set up any customer's journey in no more than 10 minutes. What's more, you can track your user's behavior with our pixel perfect heat maps almost as fast. So CUX heat maps show you the most valuable things that happen on your website. Where people click, where they don't click but were supposed to click, whether people click on things that aren't links, or if the visitors are clicking out of anger or frustration. We not only let you analyze heat maps for single pages, groups of pages, and single page apps, but also filter the results by dates, even using historical data. You can see user experiences on every type of device, from tablets through mobiles to wearables and even smart TVs. Our identification digit is the fact that CUX is able to present the whole customer journey, regardless of the number of tabs open, time on the visit, or actual activity on the website. So you get the widest possible picture of your user behaviors. With visits recordings, we track every movement of your users, making it easier for you to make informed decisions based on their actual habits and behaviors. Based on this data and retroactive analysis, you can freely create and modify conversion waterfalls using historical data. With CUX, you have no longer wait for new recordings or new data to gather. At the moment, we use machine learning algorithms to enable our tool to automatically and autonomously detect and define repetitive behavioral patterns of online users that may indicate frustration they are experiencing. Our tool then classifies these behaviors into the appropriate category like rage clicks, rage key press, zooming, refreshing, or chaotic mouse movement. The ability to find user frustration allows you to almost instantly optimize marketing, product, and the conversion itself. In addition, we use machine learning to search for anomalies in clients' project. But what's even more time-saving, thanks to ML, you will get automatic personalized alerts based on our knowledge and long-term research explaining your users' experiences and behaviors with emphasis on frustration and raging points, causing drop in your conversion rates. CUX has no direct competitors when it comes to analytics automation. The tool combines all the functionalities of analytical tools available on the market, like Heap, Full Story, or Hotjar, and adds an experience touch to the results. So go for it yourself. We will be happy to guide you on this path to analytical excellence.